Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a general love reading for the sign of Pisces. Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising, whatever sign you wish to watch it in. Like, share, subscribe. We have a card for you. Open up. And she's the keeper. I'm going to take it. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Also, if the story doesn't fit your situation, don't force it to fit. Take whatever resonates. Leave the rest. They're general readings, not personal readings, so not everything is going to fit. I don't date my readings, so they're very much, you'll find it when it's the right time for you. It'll make sense when it's the right time for you. Hope you guys are doing good. I'm doing good. I just ate some pizza, and so I'm very happy. And then I'm from Chicago, so we got the best pizza. I said what I said. I'm not taking it back. Let's see, general love reading for Pisces. Okay. What you don't see coming is possibly someone who's a little controlling might be coming your way. Watch out for that. Your current energy is you moving away from drama. You feel like there might be drama in a certain area in your life, most likely your home area, home space, whatever that looks like to you. And I feel like you're moving away from it, moving away from the drama of it. I see it as bumps in the road, not much to worry about. Recent past, probably some kind of a shock that really had you take a step back, most likely related to your home life, quality of living, your family. Current situation is you focus on family. You focus on your home life. Again, with the Hermit there is showing me, you trying to gain wisdom out of a certain situation, which we'll clarify it in a second. I see you healing and being patient with yourself, but I also see the past creeping back in. And with that Devil card there, maybe some bad habits or patterns. It could be a person coming towards you who you see in that light, in that dark. We'll find out in a second. Let's clarify that Six of Swords. Definitely you moving away from something that seems stable. I feel like you've invested a lot into something that left you feeling pretty defeated. Very much. Let me clarify the Tower. Okay. Justice. Empress. What else? This could have been a very good surprise. There's good cards clarifying it. Let me get two more for this. This could be a family situation. Again, this could have been a pretty good surprise regarding money. Maybe a bad surprise regarding money, because I don't see that there's a couple here and I don't see them seeing eye to eye. I see conflict there. even though the cards surrounding it are pretty decent. There may be a misunderstanding there with communication, to be honest. Four of Swords. Okay. There could be news of possible pregnancy. I'm not getting that for everybody. Not all these Pisces are going to be pregnant. So that's not what I mean. It's a general reading. So if it fits you, take the situation. But there looks to be maybe possible pregnancy. Possibly an apology from someone. But this person is like very different than you. It's like this person and you may have wanted something stable, but it's like you guys were on not on the same page of what that looks like overall. There's healing over that in the past. There could have been a third party situation here. There could have been some cheating. I can see that. For other people, this third party situation could have very much been money itself. Could have been the third party. Could have been arguments over money, disagreements over money. It could be bad habits like drinking or gambling, and being very stubborn about changing those habits. Being very stubborn about changing those habits. That could be you. That could be somebody in your energy. And I feel like it's somebody in your energy. I feel like it's somebody in your energy, not you. I get more heartache. I get more grief over this, but I feel like this is a cycle. This has happened a few times. And after the grief, there comes another offer of love, another chance to make it better. But is it? Because a cycle isn't really giving it a chance to make it better. It's a cycle to, a cycle is just going around doing the same thing again. I see indecision around making a decision. So very, not knowing what it is that you really, really want deep down. What is your wish fulfillment? Because you want a happy family, you want the happy home life, but this cycle isn't it. So it's very much trying to figure out why that's not happening for you, or what it is that you need to do to make it happen. I get that too. Do you even want this anymore? This is something else, I feel like you're gonna go within to really evaluate what equal give and take looks like to you. You want to approach things with passion. You want to approach things, with a lust for life. And I feel like a decision's got to be made in this situation to awaken to a higher level of consciousness about what it is you're really in. And that requires, looking at what is and not thinking about what if. I like to say what ifs don't exist. What is exists. I feel like you're in the near future, there's going to be a lot of healing going on. I feel like telling you to be patient with yourself. It's going to be a little difficult to get away from that controlling energy. But I see you giving it effort. I really do. I see you giving it effort to heal. There's a lot of confusion in this relationship. There is a lot of confusion. I also feel like there's money issues, like gambling or shopping a lot. There could be some of that. Drinking a lot, maybe. There's definitely some bad habits within this dynamic. This could be, like I said, it could be regarding children also. It could be like a father figure, your husband, your wife. You could be married to this person, but definitely having a lot of memories there. I just saw 11:11 on the clock just a second ago. Definitely a lot of memories there, a lot of nostalgia, a lot of looking back, remembering the good times, healing over that, because there's got to be healing here, because once there's healing, you'll realize why things happen. You know, like I said, this is the cycle. It's not for you to continue the cycle, but you gotta assign meaning to what that cycle meant to you and how it's going to help you grow. Yeah, this is another energy coming towards you, and this is someone very toxic. They're a liar, they're a cheater, they manipulate, they plan everything to a T. It's a very ugly energy, I'm not even gonna lie. They're very manipulating, conniving. And they come in like, let's just do stuff. Let's just do this and let's just do that. And to be honest with you, it confuses you. It does. It confuses you. Don't let anyone else get you in your head. Don't let anyone else get you in your head. And that is your reading. I hope that it helped. I'm going to read the card I pulled up in the beginning. You got number 4, open up. Open up. All right. Keywords: withdraw, blocks, control, release. Sometimes past sorrows cause you to withdraw, both from your emotions and from other people, as a way of preventing further pain. However, this closing up or shutting down presents a free flow of energy from and to you, interfering with the ability of the universe to fulfill your dreams, your desires. When this card appears, it suggests that you may have blocked or closed off your energy field in some way. Have you let sadness or fear prevent you from moving forward into more satisfying, loving relationships? I can't get the next page. Hold on. Is that? Okay. This blocking energy by working... Release this blocking energy by working with affirmations, prayers, and your spirit guides. The more you open up your energy field, the sooner you will receive what you desire. Also, watch out for the need to control. For relationships to thrive, the energy must be free-flowing. Everyone must have the right to self-expression. When you open yourself up, you allow your relationships to grow and evolve. That's your message. I hope that it helped in some way, and hope to see you again next time. Thanks.